Do it yourself. Today we're going to tell you how to quickly and easily install the L-TRG inspection cover. Make sure you have the following tools to successfully install our product: pencil or marker, tape measure, square, utility knife or handsaw, and don't forget all the necessary personal safety equipment such as goggles and gloves. Use the pencil, tape measure, and square for the measurements you need at the installation point. Next, use the utility knife or saw to make the cut you need. Remove the excess material and the installation area will be ready. Before opening your product, make sure it matches the measurements you purchased. Remember that the measurement you will use is the base measurement, which should match the installation space. Remove the product from its package, apply silicone around the product's edge, and install it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us or leave us your comments. Quick and easy.